The Paint Spot has been in Old Strathcona for 36 years, and it was started by a recent graduate from the University of Alberta. So being so close to the university, this was like home ground. I started here 27 years ago, and I came from a small town, so coming into this community to find jobs, to find a place to live, it just felt like a small town within the big city, and it felt like home. The Paint Spot is a labor of love. I'm an artist, I teach art, we have a gallery, we run a festival. Arts is pretty much everything that we do. So it is my favorite place to be. I don't think I'll ever get tired of owning or working here. Art customers are creative, resourceful, they're just fluid thinkers. I love that they come in with an idea and are open to experiment, open to learn about the materials, and maybe go home with something completely different and inspired to do something different. I also really like the scared, stiff beginner, a person who thinks they're not an artist, but once you come in and we match you up with the right material, you're well on your way. My best advice for someone just starting a business in Old Strathcona is get involved in your community. Reach out to community leagues, find out what the theaters are doing, find out what the arts is doing, and get involved as much as you can. Because, you know, advertising costs a lot of money, but if you can roll up your sleeves and provide some sweat equity or some leverage through your social media, this community gives back. My proudest involvement is with the White Avenue Art Walk. We have run that for 26 years. That's 2 generations of artists and patrons that we have built for Old Strathcona. Also, every mural in the area we've been involved in, whether it's fundraising or budgeting for or providing the technical resources or actually rolling up our sleeves to prime and paint and seal and hang the works. There's I think 50 murals in our neighborhood right now, so it's a labor of love. Our gallery has run since we've started, even if it was just a small wall, now it's a bigger space. So being involved in the arts is what I love, and I think our business glows because of it. I feel successful when I have a day where I've helped somebody else find what they're passionate about. They come in nervous, maybe, and they're not sure where they start, and you give them advice, you kind of ask them enough questions so you understand what they're really interested in. And I was helped every step of the way, and I love that I can pay that forward. So, you know, you come in for a brush and you leave with a lifestyle. That is something I really enjoy.